Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can check our regular transactions in Google Pay. So to get into Google Pay you have to have Google Pay on your Android phone or iPhone, and then get into App Store, install it and then open it. If you have linked your mobile to your Google Pay, then just get it on home page. This is my home page, and scroll it down. At the end we will find view account balance, show transaction history. So just clicking on transaction history, it will tell us whom we have already done all these transactions with. So if you observe this, I was doing so many transactions like this, and the transaction history is shown here. It's so simple to see our transaction history in our Google Pay. I think it is helpful to you. This video is basically made for them who really don't know about Google Pay and where exactly all these things can be seen. So if you know already, please ignore this one. If you are getting some help because of this video, kindly write it in the comment box and come up with some kind of information which you need, so that we'll try to make another video in the next coming one. Do subscribe the channel, like it and share it to someone who are in need of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.